Hey Divine One, I'm glad this found you today. Take a moment with me to tune in and check in with your inner child. As you put one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly, finding your center here, let's breathe in through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out through your mouth, 4, 3, 2, 1. In through your nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out through your nose, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you continue breathing, just close your eyes and allow the vision of your inner child in this moment to come to your mind. Give them an age and a personality. And as you breathe deep, simply ask, how are you feeling? What can I do for you today? Take a moment to listen to their response. And as they share with you their needs and feelings, be sure to validate, honor, and commit to following through. As you begin reparenting this part of yourself, bring them in for a warm hug as they dissolve into your chest, being heard and seen, and now a crucial part of your healing journey. As you open your eyes, set the intention to be aware of this inner child all throughout the day, listening to and responding to their needs and feelings, reparenting them the way that you always deserved. Big deep breaths and lots of baby steps. As always, plan on miracles.